I was inspired to make this stunning quilt when we ran the product of the month as Patchwork Sassaman style, which was Jane's book plus a metre of fabric. And look how stunning it is. Jane inspires us to make this on page 49. There are kind of just guidelines for it, but as I say, I made the quilt in front of me with just a metre of this stunning fabric from Lady So-and-so's, and then small quantities of these two fabrics which were cut from fat quarters and just strip pieced. So a really simple 2-block quilt. So then I thought, well, you know what? I really like that. I want to do a slightly bigger one. So here is my next example. And this is what I'm going to talk you through. It's set on point, but we've got the same 2 component parts. We've got big squares and we've got 4 patches.